Forget about Midjourney, here's the best free AI art generator. This website is called Tensor Art. When you create a free account, you will get 100 credits, i.e. you can make 100 images daily for free. However, if you click my referral link shown in the description, you will get an extra 50 credits, i.e. a total of 150 credits daily. If you want to get these extra 50 credits, click the referral link in the description below. Then click Sign In. You can use a Google account or email address to create the account. Follow the screen and click Save to create the account. After you create the account, click the Workspace button and you can make your AI images here. In the bottom left, it shows you your daily credit balances, and it should be 150 if you use my referral link. In this page, you can select the basic model, LoRa, prompt, and other parameters. For example, we type an old man with a dog looking at the sea, and click the Generate button. It shows a pretty good picture after several seconds. Go back to the post page and you can see that there are many people that post their AI images here. If you click an image, it will show you the model, LoRa, prompt, and other parameters that's used to generate this image. Moreover, if you click the Remix button, it will copy over all of the parameters to your workspace so that you can make an image similar to that one. In this example, we made some changes to the prompt to include short hair and white t-shirt. We click the count to 2 so that it will generate 2 images at the same time. You can see that the images are modeled on the original but changed based on the prompt. You know what? You can also use your AI images to earn money. Here are some examples. With Printify, you can put your images on t-shirts, cups, or jackets, and if someone purchases it, you will get a commission. Redbubble is another website that you can sell your AI art. And Fiverr is a freelancing website where you can put your images there, and if someone is interested, they may ask you to customize the images for them. And that's the end of the video, and here's another video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy, so go watch it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.